Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you are facing an issue about iMessage, like waiting for activation or any other issue about iMessage you can see appears on screen. So how to fix this problem? So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, follow me in this video step by step. I will teach you some solutions about this problem. So guys, first of all, open setting application and make sure you have iPhone is connected a strong internet or cellular data connection. You can try to loading a web page in Safari to confirm your internet connectivity is strong. So guys, see the next solution. Go back and here is setting and scroll down and tap on general. Here is now guys, check date and time is correct or not. Guys, make sure your date and time on your iPhone always select it on set automatically. So guys, after that you can try to the next solution and for again launch the setting application and now scroll down and find out iMessage or message. You can see appears on screen, tap on it and you can, so guys, you can turn off iMessage for a few seconds. After a few seconds turn back off. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. So guys, you can try to the next solution. Again open setting application and here is now tap on general and now guys tap on software update. Guys, if you have available software update, now you can update your software because this problem can also occur due to your software not updating. Now close the window and see the next solution is again launch setting and tap on Apple ID name and scroll down, tap on sign out. And now guys, enter your Apple ID password. Now sign out your Apple ID because this can help refresh the connection between your device and Apple iMessage services. So guys, again open setting application and now scroll down, tap on general and now scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and guys tap on reset network setting. Here is, so friends, in this problem is caused by network issue of your iPhone, then this problem will be solved by reset network setting. So guys, last solution is wait for 24 hours. It can sometimes take up to 24 hours for your carrier to verify your phone number with Apple. Be patient and see the message disappear it on. So guys, I hope this tells you that changing the settings will solve your problem. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel.